We're going to be talking about none other than Celestia in this video. TIA is actually breaking out from its 4-hour trend right now. Not only that, the higher time frame indicators have reset to oversold and we're at strong daily support. So this is why I'm adding Celestia to the portfolio. Let's dive in. So we're going to start with the 4-hour time frame, and you can see this is the important level for Celestia. This was confluence. We've got the trend break, and you've also got the 200 4-hour moving average. So breaking through there is showing that the bulls are regaining control here. Bulls are regaining control on the 4-hour, and you can see that the indicators are flying up to overbought. So you can see that once we've had this break, a reset would be the retest. So let's zoom in and look at that. So what's the retest going to look like? Got a break, you come back down, and the main thing is this 200 4-hour moving average needs to hold support. So we come back down, hold support. That's showing confirmation that you've put in the higher low. Now you can continue to the upside. So this is the shorter time frame. This is the 4-hour. So when we jump into the daily, let's get rid of this mess. Jump into the daily, and you can see the 4 hours our leading indicator, the daily is the higher time frame. So the 4 hours the entry, you can get clues on the 4-hour, and that's what we're looking for. We were looking for the break of the 200 4-hour moving average. So that's a tick, that's a positive. When you zoom out, look guys, when you zoom out, you can see that we're cluttered underneath the 786 fib retracement from its previous high. This is the 786, and you can see that acted as support, support, support. What happens when you fall through? It's going to act as resistance, resistance, resistance. So we're actually forming a bit of a reversal pattern here as well, guys. We're actually forming a head and shoulders pattern. You've got your left shoulder there, you've got your head there, and then you've got this, which is your right shoulder. So if this puts a higher high in, that's your right shoulder. Once you've got a right shoulder break, you can measure that from the tip of the head to the neckline, and then look for extensions from the break of the right shoulder. And that's where your targets would be. So in the short term, guys, once we've broken the right shoulder, you've got just under $10 as your targets. Just under $10. Right, okay, what's the indicators telling us? Go back into the daily. What's the indicators telling us on the higher time frame? You can see, this is what I was talking about, guys. So stochastics come up here. You can see we've had a run, had a bump, and then we pull back. We've pulled back. Stochastics pulled back. It's pulled back into overbought. Oversold, sorry. Oversold. Underneath 30 is oversold. So we're in oversold, and not only that, we've crossed over. So that's positive. The indicators are reset. We've broken the 4-hour trend, and then we're looking for a continuation to the upside. You can see we've put a higher low on the RSI, and the money flow is starting to cross over into positive. So that's what I'm looking for on Celestia, guys. I'm adding Celestia to the portfolio today. It's $5.16. That's the price that it's going in. What's the portfolio looking like at the moment? It's up $43.27. So it's at 1.8% at the moment, and you can see that it's sustained that drop that we had earlier on in the week. So we're still in profit, only just, guys. But because it's diversified, because it's well managed, and because all the eggs are in one cryptocurrency, it can sustain loss elsewhere. Top gainers are going to lift the top losers. And that's exactly what's happening, guys. So the next thing, Discord group. While we're in here, guys, a big shout out to some people in this Discord group, because there's a lot of active people in here, and we'll say a big hello, a big shout out to Benton, to Banana Man, to Lyrico, to Max, and to None the Wiser. Thank you for making this group active, guys. Join the Discord, guys. It's completely free. That's where we keep up to date with all the charts. That's where we keep up to date with each other, and we get to know each other. There's a lot of good people in there, guys. So get yourself in the Discord. So that was just a short video on Celestia. Celestia added to the Crypto Bullseye portfolio. We're going to be talking a lot more about diversification, risk management in future videos. And if you did find this useful, let me know in the comments what you would like in the next video, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.